another video. I'm going to try and upload more often now because I want to actually be a successful YouTuber. But today, I guess it would be ASMR, sort of. I don't know. But, hold on. We have a thermostat here and an air vent filled with little foam beads. So, we are going to make all those beads fly out of the air vent.
Hold on.
So, I'm going to try and make this look.
Wait, before you do it, wait. I got a good idea.
Oh, she wants to see. She has an idea. I'll be right back. See you soon. Alright, my friend put her phone on record and flash and put it in the vent. So, let's turn it, make sure this is all the way on. Cool. On. And then, is it going to work? Whoa!
No, it just went all the way over there.
Wait, that means it's coming out of some other vent.
This Mom and Dad's vent.
We have beads coming out of a vent somewhere. No. Alright, new plan. Gonna grab a handful of them and gonna drop them in the vent. Okay, so this didn't work as planned and now there are beads all over the house.
We're gonna try this again.
We're gonna try again. We just gotta sweep all the beads back up into the air vent and see. Everyone go to one vent and see where they're all coming out at. Alright, I will return. We are about to clean. Okay, I will return when we're done cleaning. Alright, I'm here. Get my flash on. Is there a light in here?
Yeah.
Got a light on. Ah, that's better. Alright. You gonna put your phone down in there or you want me to?
I'll put my phone down in there.
Alright, she's putting her phone in there.
Hold on, let me get my
You ready, camera person? Yeah. Or are you still messing with stuff? Oh God, what are you doing? Oh God.
Oh, look how right they look on my
So
camera.
many. So
They
many.
look so freaking bright on my camera.
Help me, help me. Alright, hold on, we gotta shove these down in here. I didn't realize there were so many. Oh, it looks like it's gonna be filled all the way up, not almost all the way up.
I feel so stupid now.
Alright, what'd you say?
I don't have enough storage.
You don't have enough storage, okay. Well, delete the video earlier.
I did. I deleted all the videos.
Jeez, your phone sucks. Alright, well, I guess. No, you're good. Are you recording already?
Yeah.
Alright. You hold my phone right here. Let me make sure it's not in it. Just like this. Alright, I'm going to start it in 3, 2, 1.
Dang, that's gonna suck because.
Dang, none's coming through here. Alright, let's go look at the other one. Is it working? Go turn it off! Come on, let's go turn it off and do it again! Off! It's off. Let's look at it!
You also see what it did later.
Alright, we're gonna set it back up and redo it. I will be back.
Oh! That was awesome.
I think I missed it though. Redo again. It's jammed. Your phone's too heavy for it.
Oh, it wasn't filming the whole time.
Let's try again. Alright, go. I didn't realize we weren't starting yet. Let me pause my video again. Be back soon, guys.
Your feet are cute.
Start it when you get there. 3, 2, 1, go! Ashlyn, go turn it off. Go turn it off. It's a flood. Do you feel them? The whole process. Starting run. Go turn it off now. Uh-oh.
Right at the ending it says it.
Alright, he's turning it off. Or should we just let it letting it out?
It has get him out.
No, just
lady.
Y'all back up. Back up.
These taste good. But I'm gonna eat the clean ones.
Whatever I'm doing, I'm out. Okay, so that was our video. I will try and get another one either, hopefully, sometime next week, because it is Sunday. So I will have one by the weekend. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you all later. Bye-bye!